Okay, let's solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube, and this would be our first shuffle. Okay, let's have 15 seconds inspection. Okay, the first solve is 25.68, not bad. Okay, let's have a run through solve for this second shuffle. Let's say R, B prime, F2, U prime, L2, U prime, L2, B2, U F2, L2, F2, U F2, L prime, B, R, U prime, L, B, and R2. Okay, let's start solving for the cross and moving on to the first two layers, and then OLL and PLL for the orientation of the last layer and permutation of the last layer. Okay, solving for the white cross. Okay, first I'm seeing this red, right, and then this green, right. Now the orange will be here, white orange, and or the white blue will be there. So now I already solved the white cross. Okay, the first two layers for I'm seeing is this red and blue. I will going to split them up first, and then I'm going to insert it at the back. And then next would be for this blue orange, and then I'll split them up and then pair them together, and then same thing again, I will going to insert at the back. Right, the next one is for the orange and green. Right, now I'm going to insert over there, over here, and then the last pair for the F12 is the red and green, and then insert over this one. Now of course this would be the OLL. Now I'll be trying to solve this one in one loop for this shape. Right, now performing the last layer, which is the PLL, is R prime, R perm. Alright, now our 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube is ready being solved. Thank you very much for watching.